Hi everybody. Today I shall discuss about the potential gradient, which is very important topic and will be used frequently in the case of the determination of the electric field when we uh, feel the need of calculating the electric field in the case of three dimension or in the case of the two dimension or in the case of the one dimension. So let us try what is the potential gradient. Potential gradient विभव प्रवणता. In fact, potential gradient is the rate of potential change with the distance, that is dB upon dr. Means potential gradient is the rate of change of potential with distance, means rate of change of potential with distance, that is d dr of v. Potential change with distance, that is called potential gradient. Okay, now as we know, the differential relation of the electric field and potential, that is given by the relation this one, dv equals minus edr, that is potential difference equals minus edr. If we put here E equals minus dB upon dr and equating equation 1 and equation 2 with each other, we find dB dr equals minus C. Therefore, V grade will be minus C. Means V grade equals minus E. What does define this one? Means electric field intensity. Electric field intensity at a point in an electric field in a given direction is equal to the negative gradient of the potential in that direction. Means electric field E equals negative potential gradient in that direction. Is it okay? Now suppose we want to express this relation in the three dimension, then it will be represented by vector E equals minus del V. Here this is del operator and sometimes it is also called nebula vector, and del operator is a vector operator and it is equal to the equals del x plus del y plus del z, but it is a vector operator, so unit vector I, unit vector j, unit vector k must be followed by this one. Therefore, this becomes vector E equals del vector B. Sorry, vector not. Vector E equals minus del B, and it will be in the case of three dimension E x y z at any point will be this one. Pay attention, negative sign reinforce that the potential decreases in the direction of the electric field. As we go in the direction of the electric field, potential will decrease, and if we go opposite to the direction of the electric field, potential V will increase. That is, electric field points in the direction in which B decreases with distance. Here in Hindi, let us try to explain this one. विभव प्रवणता, विभव के परिवर्तन की दर दूरी के साथ विभव प्रवणता कहलाता है। दूरी के साथ विभव परिवर्तन की दर को विभव प्रवणता कहते हैं। इसे बी ग्रेड के द्वारा रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है। देयरफॉर बी ग्रेड विल बी डी डी आर ऑफ दी डी बी, जो कि हम लोग जैसा जानते हैं कि डी बी इक्वल्स माइनस सी डी आर। देयरफॉर replace dV upon dr by minus, therefore you will get E equals minus B grad, means electric field will be equal to the negative potential gradient. What does it infer? ये किसको क्या निष्कर्ष निकालती है, किसको इंगित करती है? इसका मतलब हुआ कि किसी बिंदु पर वैद्युत क्षेत्र की तीव्रता किसी विद्युत क्षेत्र में किसी दी हुई दिशा में विभव प्रवणता के ऋणात्मक मान के बराबर होता है। 3 डायमेंशनल की केस में इसको हम लोग इस रिलेशन के द्वारा शो करेंगे, यानी वेक्टर E इक्वल्स माइनस डेल V। ये एक ऑपरेटर है जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं डेल ऑपरेटर, और ये वेक्टर ऑपरेटर है जिसकी वैल्यू होती है इक्वल्स माइनस डेल डेल एक्स यूनिट वेक्टर आई प्लस माइनस डेल डेल y यूनिट वेक्टर j माइनस डेल डेल z यूनिट वेक्टर k. Is it okay? Therefore this will be del del x, this one plus this one plus this one, because minus sign is existing already here, therefore this will be after multiplication follow the negative sign. It's okay.